This is 9.3. It's a little bit slow today. Thinks it's Friday. Okay, this is more review on lines. So we need to convert this into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 4x. Negative 3y equals negative 4x minus 9. Divide by negative 3. Y equals 4 over 3x. Wow, that was pretty. Plus 3. So the slope is 4/3, and the y-intercept is 3. So here we want to put this in standard form. So I will distribute that 2. So y plus 3 equals 2x minus 4. Move this over, negative 2x. Move this over, plus y equals negative 7. That would be standard form. All right, Yolanda is flying a drone. She's controlling the drone so that it descends at a constant rate. After descending for 9 seconds, the drone is 330 meters high. After 16 seconds, the drone is 260 meters high. So we have 9, 330, and we have 16, 260. So choose the statement that best describes the time and altitude. As time increases, the altitude of the drone decreases. So this is the one we're going to pick. And the altitude of the drone decreases at what rate? So remember, slope is the change in y over the change in x. So a lot of times you'll hear that called delta y and delta x. That little triangle is a Greek symbol. It is the letter D in Greek. So we just need to find how much did we drop. So that is a drop of 70. So the change in y is negative 70. And the change in x is 7, which is negative 10. That is my slope. So what was the altitude of the drone when it started its descent? Well, if 9 seconds in, it's 330 feet high, then we need to backtrack 9 seconds. So if we times this by 9, that is a drop of 90 meters. Or not 90. No, that's right. Of 90 meters. So to figure out how much there is at 0, I just need to add 90 to that, which is going to be 420 meters. That's how high the drone started. All right. What is the equation of this? Well, the slope, let's find a nice point. There we go. The slope is negative 1, 2, 3, and 4. So negative 3 over 4x plus the y-intercept of 3. So y equals 10x plus 120. That is the cost of publishing a book. What is the change in the total cost of each book printed? So this is saying in order to print the book, it's going to cost you $1,200 up front, and it's going to cost you $10 per book. So the change per book is 10. The cost to get started is $1,200. All right. So here we have some values, and we need to know the slope, the y-intercept, and the equation. And notice the x's are actually in order, which makes it nice. So -2, 1, -2, -2, -1, 1, 0, 4, 1, 7, and so on. So the slope is 1, 2, 3 over 1. The y-intercept is 4. So the equation is y equals 3x plus 4. Okay. What is the equation here? Well, let's find the slope. So the slope is the change in y. So from -3 to -1 is +2 over the change in x. From -5 to 3 is +8. So the slope is 4. My equation is y equals 4x plus b. To figure out the y-intercept, I just choose one of those points. It doesn't matter which one. And I plug the x in there and the y in there. -3 equals 4 times -5 plus b. So this is -20. So if we add 20, I get b equals 17. So the equation is y equals 4x plus 17. That does not seem right. What did I do wrong? Yeah, that certainly is not correct. So from -3 to -1 is +2. Right there. Oh, how about 1/4, guys? So y equals 1/4 x plus b. Now I'm going to plug in, oh, those aren't going to be very friendly, whatever. So -3 equals 1/4 times -5 plus b. So -3 equals -5 over 4 plus b. So we add 5 over 4. 3 is the same as 12 over 4. So -12 over 4 plus 5 over 4 is -7 over 4. That looks a lot better. -7 over 4, which you can see is almost 2. All right, that's it. Get to work.